Hola my lovely friends, I'm Blanco. Today we're gonna talk about soccer vocabulary, or how is it called in Europe and South America? Football vocabulary. If you are learning Spanish and you like sports, it probably already crossed your mind to watch football with original commentary. It's a brilliant idea, because it's a lot of fun and you can use to spoken Spanish. In Spain, football is by far the most popular sport, and La Liga is arguably the best football league in the world. And don't get me started on South America, because football is religion. Even in the USA, where soccer is not that popular, most of the sports fans know about Real Madrid and Barcelona. But to not be completely lost, you should learn some basic vocabulary. So where are we playing? This is a soccer field, which is called in Spanish Campo de Fútbol. Let me show you some basic lines and regions. On both sides of the field we have línea de banda, or simply la banda, and the throw-in is called in Spanish saque de banda. The end lines of the field are called línea de meta, and the corner kick is called in Spanish saque de corner. In the center of the field we have línea de medio campo, or simply línea media. On the both end sides of the field we have a goal, which is called in Spanish portería. The marked zone in front of the goal is a penalty area, or a penalty box, which is called in Spanish área penal. In this zone the goalkeeper can catch a ball with his hands, and if a player of the attacking team is fouled in this area, they can execute the penalty, which is called in Spanish penalti. Let's have another look at the elements of the soccer field that we learned already. Moving on, we have the players, los jugadores. In this case they are soccer or football players, in Spanish los futbolistas, and they form a team, el equipo. They have their coach, el entrenador, and in every match there is a referee, which in Spanish is called el árbitro. Of course there are fans, la afición, in some case fanatic fans. Last important word from this group is a bench, el banquillo. It's always a hot topic who will play in the first squad and who will start a match at the bench. Let me introduce to you the team. Guarding a goal, the goalkeeper, which is called in Spanish portero, or less often guardameta. In the defense block, the toughest on the field, defensa central, the center back. Someone like Sergio Ramos from Real Madrid. On the wing of a defense, we have a position of the full back, which in Spanish is called lateral. Jordi Alba from Barcelona is a good example. In the same spot of a defense, but with different, more offensive approach, we have a wing back, which is called in Spanish carrilero. Just look like Marcelo from Real Madrid play. Moving on to the center of the field. The midfielders, which are called centrocampistas or mediocampistas. Starting from midfielders, appearance of certain positions will depend on the coach's tactics. For example, defensive midfielder, in Spanish pivote, or mediocampista defensivo, could not be present on the field because the coach would like to use more offensive set. But anyway, I tried to cover for you most of the options. Coming back to pivote, good example will be Sergio Busquets from Barcelona. One of the most important positions on the soccer field is a central midfielder, which is called mediocampista central. Pay attention to style of play of Luka Modric from Real Madrid. On the side is usually running a winger, which is called interior, or in Americas, volante, or simply mediocampista externo. First coming to my mind is James Rodriguez from Real Madrid. The most offensive midfielder is called mediocampista ofensivo, or simply mediapunta. Some put this position even in the attack formation. I kept it between the midfielders cause it's coming back a lot for the ball. Best example from La Liga will be of course Lionel Messi from Barcelona. Moving on to the attackers. The one usually coming from the side is called extremo, delante exterior, or alero. The best one in the Spanish league was of course Cristiano Ronaldo, which is not playing in Spain anymore, but another example would be Antoine Griezmann from Barcelona. Last position, the one that has only one job, to score a goal, a striker, is called in Spain ariete, or in general delantero centro. Good example would be Karim Benzema from Real Madrid. I could continue this for hours, but I don't want to overwhelm you, so 2 last words and we wrap it up for today. Best scorer in La Liga is called Pichichi. The name comes from Trofeo Pichichi, the Pichichi trophy, which is given by sports journal Marca from 1929. This rivalry is very exciting every year. Last word for today will be el balón, or la pelota, which means a ball. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found this lesson worthwhile, or at least entertaining. If so, please leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.